Let's learn our colors one by one. Was eggs so colorful? It's so much fun.
What's inside them? Oh, let's see them glow.
Red.
Crack the first one. What color do we see? It's a bright red egg, happy as can be.
White.
Red, blue, green, yellow, purple, pink, orange, blue, brown, and black. Colors for me and you.
Blue.
Sing the colors, dance and play, learning colors in a fun way. Crack the second egg, what's it gonna be? A cool blue egg like the sky and
Green.
sea. Now the third egg, what's the color there? A lovely green egg like the trees we share. Red, blue, green, yellow, purple, pink, orange, blue, brown, and black. Colors for me and
Yellow.
you. Sing the colors, dance and play, learning colors in a fun way. Yellow like the sun that shines so bright. Purple like the stars
Purple.
in the night. Pink like the flowers in the springtime. Orange like the fruit, oh how they rhyme. Brown like the soil where plants grow tall.
Pink.
Black like the night when the owls call. Colors all around, what a joyful sight. Let's learn colors